Welcome to the Life's a Bowl of Cherries kit introduction video. I'm Charee Filimoehala here at the Graphic 45 headquarters, and today I'm going to show you our two new kits featuring our Life's a Bowl of Cherries collection. So to jump right into our album kit this month, we're creating this DIY album. It's going to be perfect for your recipes or your photos, so you can take your pick. Or you could even make two, one for each. You're gonna see we've got a lot of fun interactive details in here and a lot of creative ways of using up those supplies that you're gonna get in your kit. So we've got some stamping techniques and some fun, unique ways to use up those tags. We also have lots of fun tuck spots and interactive pages. Even some flip tops. And another great way to use up those tags. So we'd love to hear in the comments below, how are you going to be using your tag album? Are you going to be creating it for recipes or maybe a birthday album? Let us know. This has been created for us by Maria Cole, and if you know her work, you know she is always showing us great new techniques in a classy and simple way. So it makes it easy to create this project, but you end up with a gorgeous piece. So to create this, you're gonna need our Volume 4 album kit. The subscribers are gonna get this Life's a Bowl of Cherries button. You're gonna get these ivory square tags. You get 9 of those, along with the brick red Graphic 45 ink pad, our new 4x6 stamps for Life's a Bowl of Cherries. There's 8 different unique stamps in there. Our Life's a Bowl of Cherries ephemera assortment, the project sheet for the DIY recipe book or photo album. Of course, you're gonna get the Life's a Bowl of Cherries gorgeous 12x12 papers. You get 2 of each of these in here. They're double-sided and you get a total of 16 sheets. And then you're gonna get this Graphic 45 bag with the Ziploc and handle to store all your leftovers in. Now to pick that up, you can head to our website, g45papers.com, or down to your local G45 retailer. Now to show you our card kits for Volume 4. These Life's a Bowl of Cherries Gatefold cards with belly bands are going to surprise and delight all of the recipients. You can see there's a lot of dimensional elements, some gorgeous flowers. We're going to teach you in the video tutorial this month how to create 3 of these. We're going to use some fun different belly band techniques for each one and show you so many great techniques on how to use up your border pieces and scraps. Be sure to click the link in the description below for this tutorial. Along with these 3 that I will show you how to create, I will walk you through how to create the other 3 for a total of 6 with your leftover goodies. These Gatefold beauties have been created for us by Nancy Wethington, and Nancy is really showing us a lot of great techniques. The Volume 4 card kit includes this Life's a Bowl of Cherries 8x8 paper pack. You get 3 of each of these sheets for a total of 24. You're also going to get this cherry soda button for subscribers, the red trim, our flower assortments. You get 78 different pieces in here, including butterflies, leaves, and some nice 3-dimensional flowers. Craft card bases. These are an A2 size, and you're gonna get 6 envelopes and 6 cards, the Graphic 45 bag to store all your stuff in, and a project sheet. Now to pick up this kit, you can head on over to our website, g45papers.com, or down to your local G45 retailer. Of course, if you're not already a subscriber, that is a fun thing that you can join. We have our album kits and our card kits. You can become a subscriber to either one of those or both of those. And you get a lot of fun perks by becoming a subscriber. You get kit exclusive buttons. You're also gonna get a 10% discount on all your future purchases on our G45 website. And you will get these kits sent directly to you in the mail each month. And then of course you can always cancel anytime you'd like. So go ahead, join our kit club and grab your supplies, and then click the links for these tutorials below, and let's have some paper crafting fun.